What are the key benefits of data input services? Index. Introduction. Responsibilities. Skills required. Services provided. Advantages. Conclusion. Contact us. Introduction. For the smooth operation of a business, timely data availability is a key aspect. The unavailability of data at the time of requirement leads to a slowdown in the working process. In a business process, it's often when you rush to your office cabin to find out the required data or file for a line of work. It becomes smooth sailing if you find all the needed data and information in one place. This is what data input services perform for you. Inputting data into the system does not require specific qualifications. A person must be skillful in inputting accurate data. Correctness, precision, and identification are key components in data input services that a dependable service provider like Own Data Entry India can provide at affordable rates. What are the responsibilities of a data input service company? A data input service provider is responsible for handling a wide range of tasks that support smooth business operations. These responsibilities may vary depending on the specific needs of the company or client. From collecting and entering data to verifying, managing, and securing it, each step is crucial. Below are the key stages in how such companies perform their duties effectively: data collection and entry. Enter employee or company data collected from reliable sources, ensuring timely completion. Data organization and verification. Organize data and check for errors or missing details, making corrections as needed. Database creation and maintenance. Create clean databases, generate reports, store files, and take regular backups. Document handling and security compliance. Scan/print documents as required and follow strict data security policies. What are the skills required for data input service? Proficiency in MS Office tools. Good MS Office knowledge, especially MS Word and MS Excel. Effective communication. You need to have good communication skills to converse with clients. Understanding of data software. Ability to understand data programs installed in the computer. Strong writing skills. Perfect in writing, without grammatical mistakes. Services provided by a data input company. Online and offline data input service. Data processing service. Data extraction service. Image and capture data input service. Indexing and abstracting service. PDF conversion service. Customized email mining. Document data entry service. Data input from enrollment forms. Questionnaire data input service. Copy and paste data input service. Ebook data input service. Data validation service. Advantages of outsourcing data input services in 2025. Desired data accuracy. When you outsource data input services to a reliable company like Own Data Entry India, you will get the desired accuracy. This is the best company in India that trains its employees consistently for accurate data input. Moreover, they integrate several data validation techniques and tools to identify errors in data input. This way, data input outsourcing to Own Data Entry India becomes a feasible way to acquire accurate data outputs. Reduced turnaround times. A data input service provider offers services at faster downtimes. They focus on the projects and complete them promptly. On the other hand, if you assign your data input to in-house employees, it will take longer. Multilingual and specialized data entry experts. Data input experts maintain seamless communication with English-speaking employees. In this case, outsourcing to the company in India will be ideal for organizations from anywhere in the world. Time zone difference benefits. The company is aware of time zone differences between India and other countries, and data entry services in Own Data Entry India utilize this variation wisely. They work in the daytime and submit it by US time. Reduced internal and outsourcing expenses. Services at lower charges are one of the key benefits of outsourcing data input services to India. However, outsourcing enables businesses to save money and invest in core objectives. Better productivity of in-house employees. One of the significant outsourcing data input services in 2025 is the increase in employee productivity. This frees in-house employees from time-consuming non-core tasks to continue focusing on the primary objectives of the firm. Scalable service options. Organizations can scale outsourcing based on market demand, ramping up during peak times and scaling down during slow periods, without affecting collaboration or growth. Conclusion. The benefits of outsourcing data input services to Om Data Entry India in 2025 are manifold. It is a strategic decision to complete mundane tasks quickly. It leads to increased employee productivity and contributes to the overall growth of the business. By utilizing the best data input services, organizations can effectively use their internal resources and focus on business expansion.